Welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to exploring one of the most fascinating mysteries of history, the construction of ancient Egyptian pyramids. On this channel, we will take you through deeply intriguing theories, speculations, and facts surrounding these grand structures that have inspired awe and curiosity for generations. Have you ever wondered how the ancient Egyptians, without modern tools and technology, managed to lift massive stone blocks and build pyramids that have stood for thousands of years? We will journey through two key theories proposed as possible answers to the question of how the pyramids were built. If you haven't already, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more captivating historical journeys. The construction of ancient Egyptian pyramids remains one of the most fascinating mysteries in history. While there are many theories about how these magnificent structures were built, there is still no universally accepted answer. One of the biggest questions is how the ancient Egyptians, without the advanced tools and technology we have today, could have built such massive structures. Pyramids were constructed thousands of years before modern technologies were developed. There are two main theories about stone lifting techniques for pyramid construction: the ramp theory and the inner spiral theory. 1. Ramp theory. The ramp theory is one of the most commonly discussed theories when it comes to the construction methods of ancient Egyptian pyramids. This theory suggests that the builders used a ramp to gradually lift heavy stone blocks to the top of the pyramid. According to this theory, a ramp would be a structure that allowed stones to be lifted to the top of the pyramid. The ramp would be built along one side of the pyramid, gradually ascending towards the top. In some versions of this theory, the ramp would spiral around the pyramid. There are different versions of the ramp theory that vary in construction methods and use of materials. These can include earth and sand ramp. Builders would layer earth and sand to create a sloped surface leading to the top of the pyramid. Wedge-shaped ramp. The ramp would have a wedge-shaped structure with a wider base that narrows towards the top. This type of ramp would facilitate easier stone lifting. How would the stone blocks be transported to the top of the ramp? Different theories include sliding. Stone blocks could be pushed or pulled along the ramp. Rollers. Stone blocks could be placed on wooden rollers that would be moved up the ramp. The ramp theory also assumes that the pyramids were constructed in several stages. As the pyramid rose towards the top, new stone blocks would need to be placed beneath the previous ones to continue construction. Depending on the size and complexity of the pyramid, construction could span decades. This theory suggests that the entire community would be mobilized during the construction season. Despite its popularity, the ramp theory also has its critics. Some experts believe that constructing such large ramps would have been challenging and resource-intensive. 2. Inner spiral theory. The inner spiral theory is another intriguing speculation about the construction methods of ancient Egyptian pyramids. This theory suggests that the builders used an internal spiral ramp that would wind around the pyramid to gradually raise the heavy stone blocks towards the top. According to this theory, a spiral ramp would be located within the pyramid's structure. This ramp would extend from the foundation to the top of the pyramid, allowing builders to gradually lift stone blocks within the actual construction. To utilize this ramp, builders would move inside the pyramid, bringing stone blocks to higher levels as the internal spiral ramp slowly ascended towards the top. Stone blocks would be placed and gradually moved upward using the internal spiral. One argument in favor of this theory is that using an internal spiral could allow for greater precision in stone placement. Since builders would be inside the structure, they could carefully position stone blocks without the need for precise external alignment. Because the ramp is internal, pyramid construction would be less visible to observers outside the structure. This could help maintain a greater sense of mystery regarding the construction process. Unlike external ramps, an internal spiral would not require vast amounts of building materials. Builders would mainly utilize internal resources, facilitating material organization and transportation. One criticism of this theory is that building an internal spiral would also be a highly complex task. The spiral would need to be spacious and stable enough to allow workers and stone transportation. It's important to note that despite years of research and theories, there is still no definitive evidence to confirm any one theory as the ultimate solution. Therefore, the construction of Egyptian pyramids remains a mystery that intrigues historians, archaeologists, and history enthusiasts around the world. Transporting immense stone blocks to the construction site was extremely challenging. There are theories about the use of rollers, sliding, boats, and even wetting the sand to make it more compact and facilitate transportation. The majority of experts agree that a large number of workers were employed in building the pyramids, mostly peasants and craftsmen who worked on the project temporarily. In some cases, forced labor was also used, and a significant number of people were required to lift the massive stone blocks. Although the number of workers needed for pyramid construction was enormous, it was not a constant workforce. Instead, workers came from different parts of Egypt seasonally when they were free from agricultural work. Builders may have been compensated with food, accommodation, and other resources. Pyramids were a crucial element of Egyptian religion and beliefs about the afterlife. It is believed that the builders had a deep understanding of cosmology and architectural symbolism. Constructing pyramids was considered a duty to pharaohs and deities. Despite advancements in research, many aspects of pyramid construction are still not fully understood. This mystery continues to be a source of ongoing fascination and intrigue, prompting various theories and speculations that add depth to the understanding of ancient civilizations and their achievements. Not every pyramid was constructed in the same way. Over time, Egyptian builders improved their techniques and approaches to construction, which can be observed by examining different pyramid shapes and their structural characteristics. Thank you for watching. We hope you have enjoyed exploring the mysterious past of Egypt and the intriguing theories about the construction of the pyramids. These magnificent monuments leave us breathless with their precision, grandeur, and deeply rooted mysteries. While scientists and archaeologists continue to strive to uncover the truth, theories about their origin still captivate the human imagination.